Alright, hello fellow intelligent investors, welcome to my channel. My name is René Zellman, and on this channel I want to talk about ways of finding high quality businesses that are available at an attractive price. Alright, hi everyone, I'm just recording this video to say a big thank you to every single one of you who is subscribed to this channel. Yesterday, on my birthday, I hit the 10,000 subscriber milestone. And quite frankly, I couldn't be happier. It really means the world to me. So I just wanted to say that every single one of you is appreciated. I still remember when I was hitting the 100 subscriber milestone. I remember that it felt absolutely awesome to hit 1,000 subscribers. But this milestone, 10,000 subs, feels a bit different. It feels bigger and it feels like I'm on the right track with this channel. In more recent weeks, I kind of sense that we are starting to build a real community here with the same people commenting over and over again and having more of a discussion in the comment sections below the videos. And so once again, I want to just express that I couldn't have done this without you, regardless of whether you are someone who is just passively consuming my content, whether you every once in a while leave a comment to increase the chances of the YouTube algorithm picking up the video. Maybe you even leave a comment, or if you go the next step and even apply for my mentoring program, obviously this is also super appreciated. And if we just take a second to look back, I think I started this channel around 3.5 years ago, I think even a little longer back. And I hope that the quality of the videos and the way I present the content as well has improved over time. Quite frankly, when I look back at some of my older videos, and I guess I can just show you some of my older videos on screen right now, it feels a bit cringe. So I experimented with different setups, and more recently I've tried to speak more freely into the camera. I'm no longer using a teleprompter. I still do my research before the videos, of course, and take some notes how to structure the video. Yeah, and this kind of new approach has actually allowed me to put out more videos, which again might help me grow the channel more quickly going forward. Yeah, and while I'm super thankful to every single one of you, I also am quite proud on myself here. I think I was super consistent for a very long period of time, and I guess this shows you that in whatever area of life you want to achieve something, if you just keep at it and keep at it for a long period of time, you will eventually reach your goals. And while I'm very aware of the fact that this is just a digital number on screen that is not fundamentally going to change my life, it still kind of confirms that hard work pays off eventually. And I don't know, who knows? I guess the next big goal for me is the 100,000 subscriber mark, which feels super far away, almost unrealistic to be honest. But I don't know, I think if I can stick to putting out content regularly, ideally once a week, I think I will eventually get there. Who knows? I think the, so to speak, the total addressable market in the investing YouTube universe is definitely large enough, and there are plenty of channels who have proven that this is indeed actually a realistic goal. I think if you, for example, look at Braden from New Money, who, as far as I know, he has his own team producing the content. He's, I think, approaching the 1 million subscriber mark. So I don't know, one can dream, I guess. Yeah, and while we are already at looking at what might be goals and achievements, we might also discuss what else I want to accomplish in the coming years. So not only do I want to grow the audience, no, maybe more importantly, I want to build a stronger community. I was just talking about the fact that I feel like we're starting to build a community here, and I would absolutely appreciate it if more people jump into the comment section and share their thoughts. Feel free to ask questions. I'm always willing to help you out. And in a way, we are all on this journey together of continuous learning and improving our investing approach. Going forward, obviously, one other major goal for me is to further establish my mentoring program. So I've launched this service around a year ago, a little less, and I really enjoyed it because while YouTube is great, sometimes I feel like you can only touch the surface when it comes to core investing concepts. And when you want to dig deeper, take a look at the nuances of whatever field you're discussing right now. I think you need more time, and highly educational content also tends to perform relatively poorly on YouTube, which is quite unfortunate, but I guess that's just the way it is. Yeah, and I guess that's it. I just wanted to put out this video super quickly. Again, just to leave a big thank you here, and I guess relatively soon we'll be back to regular investing content that you're used to. Actually, already have an idea for a video that I will hopefully record tomorrow. So see you then. Take care.